What happens pagka birthday ni Mami?
Vacation.
Vacation. Eh, ano pang laging nangyayari? May ginagawa si Mami sa'yo, di ba? She also what?
Surprise!
What?
What's that? She also gives gift sa'yo,
Oh,
tsaka
yeah.
sa akin, di ba? Open it. O, ano kaya yan? Basahin mo muna yung nakalagay sa harap.
To Gabby. Pag birthday ni Mami, birthday mo din. Hope you like it.
Open it.
Love namin.
Ano kaya yan? Sige, kahit masira, okay lang.
Wait, who is this? Is this Shinsuke Nakamura?
Wow! Show mo dito. Ganda, oh. You know.
The king of strong styles.
Surprise.